Modeste here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to jump hook kick. Jump 360 hook kick. If you want to learn to do that, keep watching. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to be able to do is a 360 spin. So the jump 360 spin. So what you can do is start with your hands like this, you jump and just try to turn as much as you could. If you could only make a 180, that is alright. If you can't make, if you could only make like a 90 degrees, that is alright too. Just try using your hands as you jump to turn and look the direction you're spinning. Gradually you want to be able to work up to a full 360. So what you could do is you could punch like this, take your hands to the side, swing it, twist to face the direction you started. So alright, so the next thing you want to be able to do is a hook kick. If you can't do a hook kick like that, well, you need to work on that. It's just it's like a 45 degree angle. Check your foot out and you bring your heel back. So you really kick it with your heel across. So, alright guys, so now we're putting them together. So you're doing a jump 360 with a hook kick. So what you could do if you're having problems doing it like this, what you could do is just land on your, if you turn to your left, land on your right foot. You're just doing a 360 and you're landing on your right. Kind of bring your knees up to your chest and bring it in front like this. So you do a 360. Actually, you don't really have to make a full 360 because as you could see, this foot, my right foot, was turned out slightly this way. So that would be like a 270 degree spin. But my upper body facing forward, which make it look like it's appear like a 360 spin, and then you hook kick. So jump, foot facing that way, knee up like this. Just hook kick. Next you want to just be able to just try kicking, or if you're not getting the hook kick, just try straightening your foot as much as possible. Just jump and try to keep this foot straight. So eventually just be able to feel like if you're able to just kick as hard as possible. So now just go for it. Alright guys, my name is Modeste. I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. If you want to learn more moves like these, more moves like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to get updated on my future posts, and please check out my other tutorials. You would enjoy that if you enjoy this.